finding the best electrical standing desk. Awesome guys for tuning in. Today I'm going to look at a Maidesite height adjustable electric standing desk. Here the white frame, obviously black and silver colors are also available. And why did I choose this Maidesite electrical standing desk? Because I think it has a good price value for my researching different products, and because it has also this useful controller at the front where you can height adjust it and put in your favorite heights. Some other products I compared from other manufacturers, sometimes you had to use your smartphone to save the heights, and I think this with the Maidesite, it's just nice that you can do it directly from the controller. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble this height adjustable desk, and then I'm going to test this for a month and give you also my conclusion, as you can see in the navigation here below. So why don't we just get started and put together this desk? And just as a quick reminder, this is my existing setup. I just have like a really cheap IKEA stand, but I will be reusing this very nice wooden desktop with the Maidesite. So yeah, I mean, this is not very ergonomic because it's not very height adjustable. You can make some small changes. I will show you at the side. Those are the dimensions of the desktop. And yeah, I really like this desktop. It just has the right size for my purpose, but I want it to be height adjustable. That's why I got this Maidesite height adjustable frame. So let's switch this out.
And obviously the first step that we want to do is unbox everything, take the parts out of the package and make sure to inspect all the parts. Then right up, we're going to assemble the leg in one of the frame ends. You just take the appropriate screws right here, very easy, screw that in, quick and easy process. Moving on, you attach the side bracket right here. Take just part 10, the machine screws. There are two different lengths in the package that you can use. We quickly slide on that bracket, and as you can see here from below, you just put it in by hand and then give it a final tighten down with the included Allen wrench. And as the table has two legs, you're going to repeat the part twice for the other end as well. Then next we come to the, since both sides are ready, you just see part 4 here, the two center rails. We're just gonna very easily take them, slide them in, and put everything together on the desk like so. You slide it a little bit, put it together, and then we also attach the foot. Very easy. Next up, we're gonna take some wood screws here. Please be a little bit careful. There are different types of wood screws. Take the appropriate length for your desktop. I have already my old wood screws, so I'm going to reuse them since they have the appropriate length. Just take the power tool, and here, please be careful. Don't over tighten anything. You want to be a little bit soft, and you just repeat the process for both sides. Very easily done, straightforward process, and we can just move on right on to the controller. Always very satisfying. You just remove this foil, but please make sure to, as you can see here, leave the second foil on until the end. And positioning, I also made a little bit of a mistake. I positioned this on the wrong side, so please be mindful to position it on the right side of your desk. I initially wanted it to be on the left side, but the right side was better. Then organize all the cabling to your liking. Put on the cabling cover, and again we use the Allen wrench to tighten down the cabling cover, and that's it guys. It's really that easy. It's not very complicated.
Terrific. Assembly more or less was a breeze. As you can see here, looks very nicely. The white frame here fits perfectly to my other interior. So they have white, black and silver, which you can choose from. And yeah, don't forget, you need a power tool obviously, and handle the power tool careful. Like I told you, a small mistake I made. I initially wanted to put the control unit over there, but then put it back to the right again because I found that better to route with the cables. So I'm going to test this for a month, this electrical height adjustable desk, and then I'm going to be right back.
And having converted my desk to a height adjustable electric standing desk, which you can control very conveniently with this controller in the front right here, which also has a memory function. As you can see, even for my height, very good build quality and easily height adjustable to your liking. And I really enjoy switching from sitting down to standing up. Definitely more healthy to change your position every now and then. Also very interesting doing this water test right here. You can really see how smooth the operation is. And again, I'm using the presets here. No water shaking, great build quality.
Extremely smooth, as you have seen here. Water super stable, maybe at the end when it stopped a tiny little bit, but overall, due to the dual motors, super nice and stable construction, super smooth. And yeah, I'm very happy with this desk, and you've seen the water test. It's a very stable and smooth desk. Terrific, guys. This concludes the review of the Maidesite height adjustable electric standing desk. I have shown you how to assemble the unit and given you an overview of all the important details. I really like the dual motor function, and I demonstrated to you this with the water test, that the Maidesite is really stable, nicely to use. And yeah, I was positively surprised by the build quality. I've used the unit now, this desk frame, for a month. And it's very convenient to not just sit down, but from time to time you have the option to stand up and stretch your legs. Very nice. You can use that timer function that I showed you to switch between sitting and standing up on the desk working. Very nice. Guys, let me know what other content you want to see. Overall, I give this desk a thumbs up. Very nicely to use and fits also very nice in my room. Awesome for tuning in. I see you in the next video, and as a subscriber, take care.
And because you just watched my review, you can also be interested in comparing it, for example, against this curved LG monitor, which I tested for video editing and what proved to be especially useful for gaming. You see how much more space it provides to you, this massive 21 by 9 inch curved monitor versus the classical 16 by 9 24 inch in full HD. So guys, this was a mouthful. I see you as a subscriber, and in the next video, all the best to you. Take care.